just think about how much conflict or how much pain is caused by us having the best intentions to do something for somebody and we don't get the reaction we want.
Oh, that's the biggest thing. What you say? My biggest thing is acceptance.
Yeah,
bro, that is the biggest thing for me because I don't care about everything, but what I care about. So if I do that incorrectly, bro, like I wasted my time.
But here's the thing: we've heard about the golden rule: do unto others as you want done to you. Yeah. But the platinum rule is treat people the way they want to be treated.
Oh,
right. Don't treat me the way you want to be treated, because that's not my language.
Hold up.
Right.
Clearly.
The golden rule is treat others the way you want to be treated. But the platinum rule is to treat other people how they want to be treated. And that takes time, that takes patience, that takes investment in me really wanting to understand you and wanting to care for you. And once we do that, because again, once a person feels seen and understood, they feel safe. Now I can give you anything.
Oh, true.
I'm willing to do whatever for you because this is a safe space for me. Like sometimes safety isn't in an environment, it's in a person. Like you hear people say, that's my person, I feel safe.
Yeah.
I feel seen.
Yeah.
Right? And for me, I just want to live my life in a way where people give themselves permission to be safe. Because that unlocks freedom.